name is Muhammad Haikal Alim bin Hermi. Student ID 2025X0737776.
Hi, and my name is Muhammad Izzad Arif Masri, and my student ID is 2025819748.
My name is Muhammad Izzad Arif bin Zaidi. Student ID 2025X3294. My name is Muhammad Alif Danish. Student ID 2025809472.
We are from class MAC 11011A, Group 5. Bye.
To compare both options, we calculate the total amount after 2 years. Option 1. Saving grow at 4.3% annually. 8,000 multiply 1.043 to the power of 2 equals to RM 8,702 and 79 cents, which this amount is still not enough to buy the 9,000 ringgit motorcycle. So there remains 297.21 short. Option 2. Loan of 1,000 ringgit at 5% for 2 years. 1,000 multiplied by 1.05 to the power of 2 equals to 1,102.50 cents. She can buy the motorcycle now and only needs to repay 1,102 ringgit 50 cents later, which is manageable. Conclusion: since option 1 still leaves her unable to afford the motorcycle and option 2 only requires 1,102 ringgit 50 cents repayment, option 2 is more financially wise choice.
Determine whether it will be more beneficial for Akil to sell the apartment now or wait for 3 years. So for the first step, we use the compound interest formula, which is S2 equals to P multiply 1 plus I power to n. So we just need to fill the amount into the formula. So our P will be 445,000 ringgit, and our I will be 0.047 divided by 12, and our n will be 36. So the total is 512,242 ringgit 87 cents. So that will be our S2. And then with the S2 we need to minus by S1. So S1 will be 500,000 ringgit, and the total amount is 12,242 ringgit 87 cents. So for the conclusion for question 2 is Akil should sell the apartment right now because he will get extra money of 12,242 ringgit 87 cents better than he wait for 3 years.
For question A, the question is calculate the total accumulate amount in early education saving plan by the time his son reached 18 years old. Okay, for this question, we should find S. We will use compound interest formula. The formula is S equal to P multiply 1 plus I powered by n. Okay, first of all, we find S1. S1 is 9,000 multiply 1 plus 0.042 divided by 4 powered by 4 multiply 2, and the total is 9,784 ringgit 37 cents. For the P is 9,784 ringgit 37 cents plus 4,500 ringgit. The total is 14,284 ringgit 37 cents. We will use this P to find the total accumulate for S2. S2 is 14,284 ringgit 37 cents multiply 1 plus 0.042 divided by 4 powered by 4 multiply 4, and the total is 16,882 ringgit 71 cents. Alright, for question B, the question is determine the total interest earned by that time. That means this question want us to find the interest. The formula of interest is I equals to S minus P. First of all, we should find the P. The P is 4,500 ringgit plus 9,000 ringgit. Okay, the interest is 16,882 ringgit 71 sen minus 13,500. The total interest earned by that time is 3,382 ringgit 71 sen. Alright, for question C, the question is based on the result, evaluate whether Eric will have at least 15,000 ringgit for his son university expenses. Explain your reason. The answer is yes, Eric will have at least 15,000 ringgit for his son university expenses because he will receive 3,382 ringgit 71 sen interest that will make the total accumulated amount Eric become 16,882 ringgit 71 sen.
Question B, part 1. The question is we must find the monthly payment. Firstly, we must list down the information from the question. We know that K equals to 0.034, M equals to 12, P equals to 30, I equals to 0.034 over 12, N equals to 360. And next we must find Shafiq's share. We know that Shafiq received 6 out of 10 part of 1.5 million, and then we can calculate 6 over 10 multiplied with 1.5 million, and the total of Shafiq's share is 900,000. And after that we must find the amount of A. We must the 3 million minus 900,000, and we can get the total of amount A, 210,000. After that we must using the formula A equals to R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket negative and power over I. Fill up the formula and we can get the total of R is 9,313 and 11 cent. For the question B, we must find the interest charge. The formula of interest is I equals to R minus A. We must multiply R with 360 because we know R, the amount of R only the monthly payment and not the total amount. So the total of I is 1252719.60 cent. For the question C, we must find the fee payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. From the question we know N equals to 5. So we can use formula S equals to R, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket and power minus 1 over I, close bracket. Fill up the formula and we can get the answer is 4683070 cent. For question B, immediately after paying for 20 years, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount. From the question, we know that he paying for 20 years and the balance of the period of time is 10 years. So N equals to 10. To solve this question, we can using formula A equals to R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket and negative power N over I. So the fill up the formula and we can get the answer is 946,280.40 cent.
How many monthly deposit must Soraya make to accumulate at least 30,000 ringgit Malaysia? First of all, to calculate how long she needs to save, we use the future value of an ordinary annuity formula. The formula is S equal to R multiply 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 divided by I, where S equal to 30,000 ringgit, R 400 ringgit, and monthly interest rate I equal to 4.5% divided by 12. After simplifying, we get 1.28125 equal to 1.00375 powered by N. Taking log on both sides, we find N equal to log 1.28125 divided by log 1.00375 equal to 66.21. Therefore, Soraya need to make 66 monthly deposit, which is equivalent to 5 years and 6 months to reach her saving goal.